Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today. I have happy mail. I got 2 pieces of mail when I went to my P.O. box. And the first one is from California, Karen. Look at how cute she has a navel, but it's a glittery one. Oh, she's got me a card. It says with thanks, huh? Look, all the stickers. Oh, thank you. Thank you for my birthday mail and supporting my channel. Love, California Karen 789. So you can find her here on YouTube under California Karen 789. Hi, Karen. Girl, you're a subby. Thank you for being a subby. I love sending birthday mail to my subbies. And so my next one is from Cathy at CATHY Creates. Look at her envelope. You made this, yeah, Cathy. I like these stamps. Hip hop, B-boy. So let's see. I think you did make this. This is cool. I should do this. Okay. What? Pink gem stickers, gift from Elisha, YT, YouTube channel, Elisha's Crafty Hoplop. Hi, Elisha. Oh my gosh, girl, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Thank you, Elisha. Oh, blessings. So thank you, ladies. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. And you can watch others here. Until my next video, shakas.